In this video, I'm showing you how you can turn on Facebook monetization for your Facebook page super quickly. So the first place you can actually read about all of this information is this link right here, facebook.com/business/learn/lessons, how make money Facebook. I will, of course, leave a link to this in the description down below so you can go ahead and check it out. But essentially, it gives you all of the information you need on how to make money from your Facebook content, as well as how to check if your monetization status is eligible, how to set up and manage your payouts, as well as how to stay eligible for Facebook monetization. Now, the cool thing about this is it actually tells you a lot of information about the Facebook monetization program. So here we've got in-stream ads, we've got fan subscriptions, branded content, and subscription groups. So these are different methods on how you can monetize on Facebook. Now, in order to activate your Facebook monetization, you're going to click on the eligibility section, and it's going to tell you to go to the Creator Studio. So if you click on the Creator Studio, it's going to take you to your home, and it's actually going to have all of the accounts that you actually have on your Facebook page, and then you're going to be able to enter or start up your monetization on Facebook. So you can head over to the monetization tab right here, where you can click on this monetization button or this one. It's going to take you to your monetization home. And then from here, what you want to do is actually click on the view page eligibility. Now from here, it's going to tell you if your page is eligible. And if it is, it's going to actually ask you to fill in some information, just like your name, your business info, your website, and all of that. But because I'm already monetized, I don't have this because I've already done it. And here you can see I currently have 2 tools that are ready to be set up for monetization. So paid online events, as well as stars. Now, just bear in mind, this is a very old Facebook page of mine, which I haven't used in about 5 years or so. But essentially, other than these 2 tools for monetization, you have other ones. So if you click on this button right here, it's actually going to give you all of the remainder ways on how you can monetize on Facebook. And it's going to give you all of the view criteria metrics. So for example, here, so for some reason, I'm not following their policies. This is just a recent thing. I don't know what's happened, but apparently I'm not doing it. So I've appealed it. But you can see that you need to grow your audience. So for this one, you need at least 10,000 followers. You need to have eligible minutes viewed. So of course, I'm not using this page anymore. So I've got 1% viewed in the last 60 days. And then build your videos. So you need to have at least 5 on-demand videos or live videos published to your page. Now, other than that, we've got, of course, the in-stream ads for video on demand. We've got subscriptions. We've got instant articles, in-stream ads for live, and then branded content. So at the moment, Facebook is offering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tools on how you can actually monetize on Facebook just with your Facebook page directly. So really awesome tool here. Be sure to check out the Facebook Creator Studio. I'm gonna leave all of the valuable links inside of this video in the description down below. I hope this video did help you out, and if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.